Hello, Geometry Geniuses. It says here that Alex has two different size bookends for his bigger books and smaller books. What is the length of the diagonal distance x of his smaller bookend? Enter your answer as a decimal in the box. All right, so I can see that these two are right triangles, okay? And they have told me that these are similar. And so what I need to do is I just need to set up a proportion. So I'm going to do the blue side where the books are, and I'm going to do the left one over the right. So I'm going to say 10 over 6. Okay, so I grab this 10 and this 6. All right, so now I'm going to change colors here. And how about some blue? I'm going to say, all right, the hypotenuse on this one is 12, and on this one it's x. That's the distance we're looking for. So I'm setting up my proportion by making two ratios. And what do I do next? Yeah, you got it. We're going to go ahead and cross multiply. So I get 10x equals 6 times 12. Alrighty, so I get 10x equals 72. I'm going to divide both sides by 10. And I find that x equals 7.2. Now remember, in this case, we're looking at a distance from here to here. And so we are measuring in inches. Hope that helps.